Hi. The question is, how do I become an agent of a bank? Well, the short answer is you don't. It's a very big confusion in the industry that just because you've seen someone mention the term, hey, you know what, you can become an agent of a bank. Banks don't make fintech company agents, not by far, not by a long shot. It is a very, very lengthy process, and it takes typically about a year to maybe a year and a half to become an agent if the bank deems you good enough that they can make you an agent. So the term is thrown very loosely that somehow banking as a service or the cover that the bank may provide to you makes you an agent. It does not make you an agent. What banks typically do is they offer a product or a suite of services. If you choose any one of the services, you're a customer of the bank. If you now can tap into their API and try to get the same service for your customers, you're utilizing what is called banking as a service. Does that exempt you from a money transmitter licenses? The question usually is replied with a no. It does not exempt you. Banks have their own license for their product and services that they offer. If you are now taking those same products and services and are providing it to your customer under an account that's under your name, and if it's not an FBO account, or if you're in the flow of funds, or if the bank may say you're in a nested relationship for selling, then you would require your own money transmitter licenses. In many cases, we've seen fintechs come and call us up and say, hey, listen, can you get me an agentship with the bank? And I said, listen, I can't, because you have to understand banks don't provide agent relationship. It's not like we'll say, oh, we've seen this, we've seen that. No, what you've seen is a program manager. And I have done many videos on what a program manager is. And a program manager takes a good 1 to 2 years to become a good program manager with a bank. And it's a very long process. So what you're looking for is basically a relationship that says, can you offer me banking as a service in such a way that I do not touch the funds, so that the funds are only handled by my clients via the API, in which case you may be exempted from having money transmitter licenses. Or in which the flip side is you can go to a bank and say, can you offer such a service? And I will go and get the necessary money transmitter licenses to work with your infrastructure. I hope that clears it. Till next time, Faisal Khan. Peace.